Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to do the unboxing of this box that I ordered from an Instagram page. It's called Glamitupbox. As you can see guys, the packaging was not really done well. I lost one entire bottle of the oil, especially the one that I was looking forward to. I will show you that in a few seconds, but like you can see, most of the products leaked out and the entire package was so messy. I'm really disappointed about that, but let's see how the products actually work for us. So all these products are organic and handmade, and they're all natural products that are completely chemical free. So here are the things that I actually ordered in this box. So you get uh, green tea toner, you get one bottle of rosemary shampoo, and you get a saffron glow cream. And this is the product that I was really looking forward to, the oil. It's the 24 karat gold serum. I was really looking forward to this, but like you can see, it completely leaked out. The packaging wasn't really done well. I think she shouldn't have kept the the dipper on it. She should have just closed it with an actual bottle cover. Like you can see, it's broken over there, and that's the reason why all of the product has leaked out. And this was actually the product I was looking forward to, but I'm really disappointed about the packaging. This is a perfume roll on, and then we also received the Glow Girl mud mask. I hope this works the way I want it to. So those are all the products that you receive, and I also got a lip balm. So I'm waiting to try it